Hello, in this video presentation I will show you how to link your broker account to your smart trader. The smart trader is currently integrated with TD Ameritrade and we are working to add more brokers in future updates. The Drat Smart Trader allows you to automatically trade alerts or self-generated trades without switching back and forth between the app and your broker account. After you log into the Drat Trader app, go to your dashboard and click on the switch that says Demo and Live Account on your screen. This will allow you to switch from simulated trading to your live broker account. Click Yes to confirm the switch and you will then be brought to the broker assignment page. To link your TD Ameritrade account, click on the authorization link and sign in. You will need to enter a security code sent to your email or text to verify your login. After you successfully sign into your broker, your smart trader page will display a description of your trading account. This would include information such as your account type, equity, funds, buying power, and your account ID. Now that you are successfully connected, you are ready to begin smart trading. The Drat Smart Trader and all of the other easy-to-use features of the Drat web app are at your disposal as a member of the Dowstrademus community. Check out the link in the description of the video to join the Dowstrademus community. For more information or questions, please email us at support@dowstrademus.com or visit our live chat on our webpage. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the Dowstrademus Drat system. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and have a great rest of your day.